How to log into your Axis Bank credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be learning on how to access or log into your Axis Bank credit card online account. So let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser, and after opening it, click on the search engine and type in Axis Bank and click on the first link that appears, leading you to the official Axis Bank page. And on the website's homepage, locate the login option on the top navigation bar's right that is highlighted in purple color. And as soon as you click on it, from the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over the login button to see the different login options. You can have the choices like personal, business, or corporate. I'm selecting personal, so click on it and click on the login option. This action will open a new tab where you can log in using your login ID or the customer ID along with your password, and alternatively you can also log in using your debit card number followed by your ATM PIN. I am opting for the login ID, so enter your login ID, and if you have forgotten your customer ID, click on the provided link. And to reset your password, click on Forgot Password, and there is an option to log in directly to your dashboard. By clicking on the dashboard option, you can access various features like accounts, time deposits, and payments. I'm selecting the dashboard, click on Login, and after entering all the credentials correctly, click on the Login option, and then you can successfully log into your Axis Bank credit card account. So this is all about it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.